what does your startup do?
Basically, we're trying to build a model which would help us discover better drugs. Because if you understand disease at an organ level, we can help companies which are interested in developing drugs to basically find things that better target these kind of diseases.
So what would you say is like one of the biggest challenges you are now facing with your startup?
I think at the moment, our main issue is that we need the highest quality data as we can to feed our machine learning model. But this data is very difficult to come by. And this is something that we need to solve as a team. And this is something we're working on at the moment.
If you now could go back to yourself before you founded your company, what kind of advice would you give yourself?
Just start. Forget about actually, waiting until things solidify in your head. Start and actually try and work on things and fail, but that's okay.
So you managed to start, but was there ever a point where you thought, oh, let's just stop this?
Yes. I think the problem here is that if you feel that there are certain areas of the certain field that you're in that you don't know about, this could hinder you from actually starting something. But it shouldn't, because you can fill these gaps. You can speak to people. People are there to help you.
To fill in these gaps, did you got any help from the HSG community?
Of course, there's a lot of people that I had to speak to, and a lot of people who are willing to give their time to help me to try and fill these gaps that I felt needed to be filled. You'd be surprised at how generous some people are with their time, with their information, with introducing you to other people that might be able to help you. So I've been very pleasantly surprised.